All right there, boys and girls. Here we are, day 9 of January, daily math. And this first question, or actually it's questions 1 and 2, it's kind of a 3-part problem for 2 questions. So we're going to start with the number 32, and we're going to add 24 to it. So we're going to take the 2 plus the 4, doing our ones column first, right? So 2 plus 4 is 6. And then we're going to take our tens column, and we're going to add the 3, and the 2 is 5. So there we are, 56. To get to the next bubble, we have to subtract 15. So we're going to take 6 minus 5 equals 1. And then we're going to go to our tens column, and we're going to take 5 minus 1 equals 4. So there's 41. And finally, to get to the end, we're going to add 37. So we're going to add 7 plus 1 equals 8. And then we're going to add the tens column, which is 3 plus 4, and that equals 7. So our answer for that is 78. Belle's bucket has 23 fish in it. She ate some of the fish. Now there are 9 left. How many fish did Belle eat? I see. How many what? Fish. So the bucket starts with 23 fish. Now whether she has 9 left or she ate 9, when we subtract it, it's going to give us the answer. Okay, remember, it doesn't matter on the triangle whether you go this number minus this number gives you this number, or this number minus this number gives you this number. As long as your large number, or the 23, what it started with, goes first. So 23 minus 9, there's more on the floor. We have to borrow from next door. 13 minus 9 is 4. 1 minus nothing is 1. So how many fish did Belle eat? 14 fish. Number 4 says split each square into fourths in 2 different ways. So 4 equal pieces, and we want to do it 2 different ways. So let's kind of take it by going in the middle that way and going in the middle that way, like a window pane almost, right? So there's one way to do it. How about corner to corner? There's 1. And there's 1. So again, they're not perfect, but they're pretty close. So there's 4 equal pieces. Okay. You could also go and go that way. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you have 4 equal pieces, all like long rectangles or rectangles going up and down. If you have a question about it, ask, and we'll take a peek here and let you know how you did, okay? Belle spends a lot of time in her large pool. She swims for 3 hours in the morning, for 2 hours after lunch, and for 5 hours at night. How long is she in the pool? All right, well, she has 3 hours in the morning, and 2 hours after lunch, and 5 hours at night. How long is she in the pool? Well, let's add all that up. Well, 3 plus 2 is 5, and 5 plus 5 is 10. So she is in there for 10 hours. All right, boys and girls, great job with your day 9, and we'll see you tomorrow.